Hello everyone, I am Shande and welcome to my YouTube channel. So do you have any desktop without any type of webcam, or you have a laptop but with a poor webcam? Then you are definitely thinking to buy a new webcam, I think. So here I am going to tell you, you don't need to buy any type of webcam in the market. Okay, you can easily use your mobile as your webcam and you can convert your mobile into the webcam. Okay, so please don't skip this video and watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you how to convert your mobile into a webcam. Okay, that will be helpful for your any type of video conferencing and the online seminars for the teaching purpose. Okay, so for the method one, I'm going to my mobile screen. First of all, I'm going to the setting of my mobile. Yes, that is the setting. Now under the setting option, there is a option that is the developer options. If this option is not shown in your mobile, then please click on the about mobile, and under this there is an option that is the build number. Okay, if you click on this build number 5 to 6 times, then your developer option will on. Okay, and when your developer option is there, then click on the developer options and enable this option, that is the USB debugging. Okay, so this is under the method 1. Okay, so our next step is to download the application from the App Store. Okay, so now I'm going to the App Store, Google App Store, and in the search option I am searching that is the IVCam. Okay, I've already installed this application in my mobile, this IVCam webcam E2E soft. Okay, so please download this application in the mobile as well as in your system, that means in your PC. I'm going to show you how to download the application in your PC. Okay, tab in your web browser is the IVCam. Okay, and the first that we can see, that is the www.e2esoft.com. that is the required website. Yes, this is the website, and here is the option for the download. So if you want to download this, then click here. Okay, and you can also download the APK file for your mobile. I've already shown you how to download the software through the Google Play Store. Okay, this software is also available for the iPhone. So now you can see the app IVCam is already installed in my system. Now I'm going to open the IVCam. Okay, so just opening the IVCam. So after opening the IVCam, you can see this type of interface, that your now you have to connect your mobile. Okay, so here you can also see that is not connected message is shown here. Okay, so now I'm going to connect my mobile. So for this I have to open the same app from my mobile also. So according to the method 1, I have installed the IVCam in my mobile, and now I'm going to open the IVCam, and I've also connected my mobile with the PC using the data cable, that means the USB cable. So I'm going to open. Okay, so after opening that, I think you can see my computer. Okay, that is the okay. So this is the interface. Some error may come that because my Wi-Fi or internet connection of my mobile is off. Okay, I have only connected this. So here so you can see that one message is written, that is the found IVCam on the desktop. Actually this is the name of my desktop. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what message is showing in my PC. So you can see this is the interface of my PC of the software IVCam. So here this type of interface we can see. Now we have to do one thing. I'm again going to my mobile screen. Yes, and I'm going to click on this play button. Okay, so I think you can see my computer. Okay, that message may come, the trial expired. Okay, okay, so actually this is the procedure. So you can see my PC. Now I'm again going to show you my computer. Okay, so please wait. So I think you can see my computer, that is the IVCam 1 logo is there. Actually due to using the free version, and the lower case you can see that is the one message is written, that is the Cloud9 is connected in the bracket USB. That means I have connected my mobile with the use of this USB, and the main part of this process is that you may see a slight lag, but not a major lag. Okay, but if your mobile is under warranty, then I'm going to suggest you not to use this method number 1. So for those who don't want to on their developer option, they can use the Wi-Fi, okay, to connect your mobile to the PC and use the same software, that is the IVCam. And the one important thing that I want to show you, that if you want to change the settings, there is a various options like the landscape or the portrait mode, others. Okay, so another thing, you may also change the other options, like you may on the flash of the camera, you may change the mirror images. Okay, switch the camera options are also there. That means you can also use your rear camera as well as your front camera using these options. Okay, so this is the way to use your mobile as your webcam. This is under step number 1, that is method number 1. I'm also going to show you how to use your mobile as a webcam using the second method. That means I'm going to connect this mobile with this laptop with the help of the Wi-Fi. Okay, so now I'm going to turn off my mobile Wi-Fi. Okay, so I'm going to the setting and I'm going to turn on the Wi-Fi option. Yes, that is my so now I'm going to connect my mobile with the internet connection. So I'm going to the setting and I have already turned on my Wi-Fi and it is connected. Okay, so now I'm going to open the IVCam again. Okay, this time I have not connected the mobile with the laptop using any type of wire, that is the USB cable. Okay, so you can see by this process also we can connect the mobile with the laptop. Okay, now I'm going to show you what message is showing in my laptop. Here in the lower side you can see the Cloud9 is connected and the Wi-Fi symbol is there. Okay, but in this process you may see a slight delay or lag, but nothing the major issues. Okay, so there are the 2 methods to connect your mobile to your PC. Okay, now suppose if you want to use Google Meet, then you have to change the camera option to use your mobile. So just I'm going to the option, that is the setting, and in the video options there are 2 different options. That is one is my HP webcam, that is the default one of my laptop. Now I'm going to change these camera options to E2E soft IVCam, that is your actual mobile. Okay, I'm going to done. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the camera. Okay, so you can see your mobile is now converted into a webcam. So now you can join any type of meeting, and this is the process I have shown you through the Google Meet. This process is also available for the other platforms. Okay, so for the every cases you have to change the camera options to E2E soft cam. Okay.